Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how quinoa supports muscle gain. Quinoa is a fantastic complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. It also offers complex carbohydrates, giving you sustained energy for your workouts. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free and easy to digest, making it a great choice for many diets. Let's dive into how to prepare this superfood. Preparing quinoa is simple. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa thoroughly under cold water to remove any bitterness. Then, combine the rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of water or broth in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. Fluff it with a fork, and it's ready. To maximize quinoa's muscle-building potential, consider adding other ingredients. Mix in lean protein sources like grilled chicken, fish, or lentils to boost the protein content even further. Incorporate healthy fats such as avocado slices or a drizzle of olive oil for essential nutrients. Don't forget to add plenty of colorful vegetables for vitamins and fiber. Season with your favorite herbs and spices for delicious flavor. Quinoa is incredibly versatile for meal planning. It makes an excellent post-workout recovery meal, replenishing your energy stores and aiding muscle repair. You can use it as a base for a hearty, protein-rich salad for lunch or create vibrant quinoa bowls with various toppings. Incorporating quinoa into your dinner provides a balanced and nutritious component to your evening meal, supporting your muscle gain goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.